Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can have multiple stores on Shopify, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am on the dashboard for one of my stores, and this is the only store that I currently have on my account, as far as I'm aware at least. Even if that's not true, the process is pretty much the same, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how to do it. Now, we're going to have to go into our account page, where you can go and click on all stores, and this will show you the list of all your stores. As you can see, I have one active and I have one inactive because my trial has expired. Now all you have to do is click on create store, and then you can start creating your new store. As you can see, you go through the same steps through the store creation. I'm just gonna skip over everything since I'm not interested in filling it out again, but as you can see, it'll give you the option to try a plan or subscribe to a plan, and then I'm just going to skip because I don't want to. But yeah, once you do that, you're going to have your second store. Now, what you need to keep in mind is that for each store, I'm pretty sure you need to have a separate subscription, or at least you're going to need a separate domain, which you do need to purchase. So you do need to spend a bit more money. Each store is going to take a couple of, subscriptions to run perfectly. Not really sure if you need a Shopify plan in addition to a domain. I'm pretty sure you don't, but you are going to need several domains if you want to run several stores, and you're going to need to configure both of them to your liking so that you can actually publish them and actually make some results with them. And that is pretty much all there is to it. There really isn't anything more to say. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.